Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin muffins. First, let's get organized. You'll want to gather all your dry ingredients, like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients: 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 large eggs, and a half cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to combine everything. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring gently until just combined. The key here is not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a more tender muffin. Once your batter is ready, line a muffin tin with paper liners and fill each one about 2/3 full. This ensures they bake evenly and get those lovely dome tops. Pop your muffin tin into the preheated oven. They'll need to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This allows them to cool completely, making them easier to handle and enjoy. To keep your delicious pumpkin muffins fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. If you want to enjoy them longer, they freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature or warm them slightly. And speaking of making life easier, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.